My name is Tony Darden. I'm with Caplugs. We're a manufacturing company out of the Buffalo, New York area, and we've been with Innovia for 5.5 years now. We're a manufacturing company, headquartered in Buffalo, New York. We have plants in LA, Houston, Erie, and Buffalo. We are in the product protection business, and a common application of that would be if you've ever been driving down the road and see a semi hauling long piping for the energy industry. We're supplying the caps that they thread on the end to protect the threads. Another common application is, or a fun one I like to talk about, is airplanes. They do refinishing for painting and sandblasting, and we provide the custom masking that goes on the windows to protect them from the abuses that come with finishing the planes. I haven't seen a partner like Innovia. They bring expertise to every part of the function. I think what's typical in the partner community, and this is just coming from my lens, is that you have a person who's your developer analyst, your application analyst, and your project manager. And while that may seem attractive initially to a customer, if you feel like you're getting more bang for the buck, in my experience, I find that to have the alternative effect. So I know with Innovia, I'm getting a dedicated project manager, a dedicated developer, and an analyst, and sometimes more than one, depending on the scope of the project. I also have a free resource to me in the form of an account manager. I can pick up the phone and ask an opinion, get some insights, some recommendations, and I don't have to worry about being billed for that time. And that's helped this become a very productive relationship, and one that we're fortunate to have. Yeah, Innovia exceeded our expectations. This is a little less than a year ago. We had a problem with excessive record locking and performance, and it became a crisis point. Our sales team was very frustrated, and I felt like we had pitchforks in the office and action had to be taken. So I reached out to my account manager, and it became an all hands on deck situation. They understood the gravity of it and that we needed immediate attention. Within 24 hours, we had the SQL Perform on our network, scrubbing everything, looking for holes. They had people dedicated to performance. I couldn't believe it. And they even had a project manager assigned to this, which just in a matter of days, we had the problem isolated and identified. But they didn't just stop there. There were other opportunities in the system for optimization. Now, this is something that we're always looking for. It just never was a crisis point. So they took the opportunity to stop the bleeding and then took it a step further to figure out what can we do better so that this doesn't come up again.